Mickey D's. Mickey D's. Mickey D's. Catch Kitchen. Whoa, I was singing, bro.
Yeah.
Mickey D's. Okay, I'm gonna do like some prank. Okay, I'll meet you inside Mickey D's. Boom. McDonald's. Okay. Oh, you're on camera, bro. Should I block you out?
Nah.
Shout out to Anan and Aman. They're good at basketball.
I choked again.
Okay. I'm gonna order. That is my dude. That's Jackie, I think. And that little kid in the blue. Across the street. And how many, do you have, like, can I get, like, fries with, like, extra salt?
Extra salt?
Like, a lot of salt. Like, every single piece of salt you have.
Anything else?
That's it, please.
So junior chicken, medium fries and Coke, right? $5.25.
Okay.
One fish and
Number.
Combo. What kind of drink?
apple juice.
Apple juice.
25
We only have a
cents.
small apple juice.
Get 25.
Wait, no, I'm
25 cents, right? Then I can make you $5.
Yeah, I got it. Apple juice too? Are you ready to go?
I don't think they're gonna actually put all the salt they have. Yeah, that other video just lagged out, so this is just a continuation. My order still hasn't come yet. But bro, look at those sundaes. Hot fudge sundae. I should have got one.
121.
Oh, I forgot to get a burger. Oh wait, no, I got McChicken. So I got McChicken, fries, and I got McChicken, and a Coke, and fries with extra salt. That's not it for the prank. If you thought that was weird, I'm gonna eat